Welcome back, guys. We are a family with a twist.
My name is Jordan and this is
Christy or Mom. Hey, guys. Why don't you go ahead and take the time to go ahead and subscribe now while you have a chance. Not quite sure what Manny's got for us today. Hey, Manny. Oh, my. Let's see what we got. Manny's Fixer Up Challenge. Today, I want you to fix up this old slime.
okay.
Good luck. Thanks, Manny.
Let's see if we can do that.
Right.
I'm gonna start out with shaving cream.
Oh.
Mine was hard.
Oh.
Mine was hard to get out, but it really wasn't hard to get out, but it was still hard on top.
Yeah. It's a little hard.
I'm using shaving cream at first.
Let's see what we can do.
Yours
A
needs,
little bit of this.
yours needs activated?
It's a little sticky, but I'm going to use a little bit of that. Oh, I guess there's another one. Didn't see it.
Yeah, it's in front. Yeah, it's a mess already. It's like a stringy yellow mess.
And it's purple, so I'm going to add some more purple paint.
We can use purple.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm making.
Ooh.
The shaving cream won't mix in because it's so hard.
Oh, Manny, what did you do?
I'm calling up backup adding glue so it will actually work. If I can get it open.
Yeah, because your hands are all... Oh, really? Look how...
Teamwork.
Messy work, messy work.
Need a little bit of glue to actually like hold it together and make it not so hard.
Okay, Manny, so what exactly?
I got this. I can do it. Maybe. Can you do it? It's so hard.
It is.
I'm putting glue to see if maybe the glue will like loosen it up and also lighten it up and give it a texture.
Oh,
See?
mine has a texture, okay.
A weird one.
It's got some lumps.
I meant
Lumps.
I'm taking out my lumps if I can't fix it.
No, leave it in there. It gives it that,
Weirdness.
yeah, that.
Because we're a family with
What
a
a
twist.
twist.
Mine's getting better. Mine's actually starting to stretch, guys.
Yeah, so's mine.
I put more glue so it would loosen it up. What did you put to fix it?
I just used a little bit of
Shaving cream and
cream and paint. Yes.
Ugh, still rippy. Needs more glue. A little bit of glue, a little bit of this, and a little bit of that.
A little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Now it's time for shaving cream. Yes. It stinks! I'll put it in my slime.
What in the world? Where did that come from?
It got in my slime.
Because that's going to...
I'm just putting it in.
That is not even funny.
I just put it in my slime. It's like a rope.
We need something else for this.
You're just rude,
That
Manny.
is crazy, Manny.
Trying to get
What are you doing to
Trying to get my
us?
shaving cream working.
We're trying to work this stuff that you want us to try to fix.
I know, right? Mine's not the best.
But somehow we get shot in the face
Look
with
at mine.
silly string. Oh,
No.
it's Manny. He scared me.
Not yet.
What's this? Oh no. Are we supposed
Mine's
to mix
running.
this too? Oh, Manny.
Hey, mine's running. It will help it.
Oh.
Is yours running?
Mine's black.
That's gonna ruin your color. yellow slime into the purple slime to see if it makes it any better. And can you pour a little bit of activator in mine?
You need to activate it.
Stop.
Activate it. All right, somehow I don't think it's fair what Manny did.
Yeah, that's cheating. We should
Like-
go shoot him.
Woo! Okay.
That was crazy what Manny
Does
does.
he have anything else up his sleeve? Dude, you got a mess.
Does he even have sleeves?
I should have named you Messy instead of Jordan.
Yeah. I need glue to make it all together.
Go! Jordan's not doing a very good job over there, guys.
Yours is
He's
weird.
struggling.
Yours is black.
Hey, look at mine though. It's slime.
So is mine, just it's sticky.
Yours looks like bubble gum.
It's
Wrapped around your hands.
It has yellow in it.
That's funny.
It has yellow in it.
Oh, I want some gold glitter. That's what I need. I need some shine in my life.
Yeah.
Bling, bling, bling.
Mine's working. Mine's starting to work, Mom.
I think I'm going to take mine out of the bowl
Mine's starting to work. It just needs a little bit more
because
glue.
mine's... Manny! Go away!
I tried to squirt on my shaving cream, guys.
Yeah. Here, I'll take that.
Help!
Mix it in your slime. Just mix it in your slime. Maybe that's what he wants us to do.
Yes.
Guys, this is not funny.
Mine's fixed-ish. Just need
I
shaving
see
cream.
Manny getting grounded.
Mine's fixed now.
Yours is fixed already?
It just needs shaving cream and stuff to lighten it up.
Woo! That's slippery. He wants it. Stop. I got shot enough with silly string.
I'm just trying to get all this mixed in, and you're distracting me.
I'm distracting you?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Ah. Oh my gosh, I hope there's no more slimes.
Why don't you take it out of the bowl? You
It's
have
messy.
everything everywhere.
Oh,
He scared me. Now what? We have to mix this in too? You're not making it easy on us.
At least-
You're bad.
At least it's a pretty collar line. Yours is-
Thanks, Manny.
I guess you get a thank you. He's bad.
At least that one's not like all gooey stuff.
I'm just trying to get mine all collared and glittered.
You need to take it out of the bowl.
No.
Yeah, and you can mix it better.
Okay, let me take my bowl.
Yeah. Look at that mess, child.
You're obnoxious, child. Needs to work it. You just need to work mine. I want mine to get lightened up so I can actually make a collar. That's
A
why
collar?
a
Yours
collar.
is pink.
I don't want it to be pink.
Look at mine. I think I'm getting it.
Put my glue on the floor. Ah, make a mess. My middle name should be Mess.
Woo! And she made a bubble.
Look at mine.
Yes, I made a bubble.
What color should I
I don't
Bright
think you need
pink.
anything. You just need to mix it up.
No, I need color. I need bright pink in my life. Or pastel pink.
All right, what else we got in here? Let's do some pretty.
Do you have any
blue.
gold glitter?
Uh-huh. You want gold?
Yeah.
Woo!
Pretty. Pretty.
Look at that blue, guys.
Manny!
Go away!
It's a different color.
Oh!
I'm getting
This monkey. All right, guys.
It's on the wall.
When you get a chance, go to our Facebook page and comment. Let us know if there's something you would like Manny to try.
I need pink. I want my color to be pink.
Because this isn't getting it.
No, it's not. It's not. It's
He's
not.
really, really bad.
So bad. Oh, I just feel all messy.
Yeah, but yours looks way better than it did.
Yeah. Ugh. Mine's
Let's see
like
if we can do it.
mine looks like old bubble gum that I already
Yeah.
chewed.
Mine has some lumps in it.
You're leaving yours black?
I really don't have a chance.
Yeah, you do. Shaving cream and something else. Make it gray.
No, it is like a gray.
It's black. Correction.
Something
Oh my goodness! I can't change this color.
good.
I'll make it black.
Bubbles. I got bubbles.
I got swirls. I got swirls.
Manny's crazy.
Oh yes, he is.
Silly Manny.
Yes, he is. Yes, he
You
is.
silly Manny.
Ah!
Hey guys, it's Manny. Thank goodness he's not squirting us again. So did we do a good job, Manny? You like it? We reworked it. We did it.
Mine's a nice bubblegum pink.
All right, guys. Till next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.